Namaste, dear friends. I would like to speak about prana today. What is prana and the different types of pranas that we have in our body. Now, usually prana is interpreted as breath, but everything that yoga talks about has a gross reality and also a subtle reality. And in that sense, prana is not only breath, but also life itself. So when we talk about prana in terms of yoga, we have to look at prana as not just breath or air that we breathe in or the process of respiration, but we also have to look at prana in terms of life energy, life force that surrounds us, that is within us, and that is outside of us. At a gross level, at a physical level, prana means the breathing process or the breath that we take in. So when you inhale, we have prana moving in, and when you exhale, we have prana moving out. Uh, in modern scientific terms, we can say oxygen goes in, breath exchange happens, um, and carbon dioxide comes out. But from the subtle point of view, we have to understand prana as life itself. What exactly happens when we breathe in? When we breathe in, we are not just inhaling air and trying to process the oxygen, but when we are inhaling, we are actually receiving, receiving life itself, receiving life so that we live and move closer and closer to ourselves, to what we are. So when we breathe in, we have to realize from the subtle point of view, when we breathe in, we are receiving life, we are receiving life energy. From where? From our breath, from life energy that surrounds us. And when we are exhaling, what are we actually doing? When we are exhaling from the gross reality, we are exhaling carbon dioxide and other metabolic waste through the nose or the mouth, as the case may be. But from the yoga point of view, when we are exhaling, we are actually uh, letting go of everything that stops us from coming closer and closer to ourselves. Every exhale is letting go of what stops us from being truly alive and sensing, experiencing the truth that we are. So, for now, just remember one thing from the subtle aspect of prana, we have to understand that the breathing process is not just inhalation and exhalation of gases and gas exchange, but the process of respiration uh, is also inhalation of life energy, life itself, and exhalation of whatever that stops us from being truly alive. And when I say being truly alive, I mean being in the state of experiencing our truth and our clarity. In the next section, we will look at the 5 different types of prana and how they help us in our metabolic and other functionings of the body. Thank you. Namaste.